Lights on. Mic check. This is MJ Recording Studio. 20 chord and sings. We build legacy through sound. Yeah. 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 From a small room, just a mic and a dream. Late nights mixing beats, chasing quality. No shortcuts, learned the sound the hard way. Every session taught me how to elevate. From recording raw pain to polished tracks, turning voices into stories that never lag. Independent mindset, we own our grind. MJ Recording Studio, yeah, the future sound. Hindi lang tugtog, ito'y negosyo. Pawis at puyat ang kapalit. Bawat kanta may kwento at puso. MJ Recording Studio, tatak na totoo. 2020 since we level up, no fear. Music business booming, vision clear. Sa bawat beat, sa bawat linya may pangarap na binubuo kada araw. From the booth to the boardroom, we commit. Sa tunog may kalidad, sa galaw may disiplina, legit. MJ Recording Studio, ito na ang taon. From passion to profit, sabay namin aangat ngayon. Sa studio, respeto ang puhunan. Artist at producer, sabay ang galawan. Kada track planado, may direksyon ang laban. Dahan-dahan at determinasyon. Pangmatagalan sa negosyo, malinaw ang sistema. Hindi minamadali pero sigurado ang resulta. Sa pag-ibig at tiwala, team ang pundasyon. Dito nagsisimula ang tunay na production. We don't just make songs, we build careers. Turned doubts into confidence, pain into cheers. Every artist that walks through the door leaves stronger, sharper, ready for more. 20 tracks, we level up, no fear. Music business booming, vision clear. Sa bawat beat, sa bawat lyrics, bawat linya may pangarap na binubuo kada araw. Boom, we commit. Sa tanong may kalidad, sa galaw may disiplina, legit. MJ Recording Studio, ito na ang taon. From passion to profit, sabay namin angat ngayon. Para sa mga nangangarap sa tunog, for every voice that needs a platform and hope. Hindi madali pero sulit ang laban. Real music, real people, real foundation. See, this is more than music. This is business, love, and vision combined. MJ Recording Studio, where sound becomes legacy.